And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this black iPhone 15 Pro Max case to unbox and show you. Inside of this box is the iPhone 15 Pro Max Clearlock Casekoo case. You can see the back is completely clear. Love how transparent it is and how it would show off your beautiful iPhone. Nice cutout for your cameras here, cutout for your charging port and speaker grill, little Casekoo logo there, cutout for your power button, cutout for your volume rockers, and then a completely clear black iPhone 15 Pro Max case. I love this look. You also get a little included Casekoo portable phone stand, great for like at your desk or something, and of course some cool Casekoo stickers. Special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This case is blue, and out of the box is very nice. Oh, look at that. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max Clearlock case. Very nice, completely clear backing. Nice blue tint around the side of the case. Little Casekoo logo, power button, volume buttons, charging port and speaker grill, cutout for your cameras, and then a very nice clear blue iPhone 15 Pro Max case. And also they include a little Casekoo portable phone holder, good for like your desk, and some Casekoo stickers. Special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this transparent iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Inside of this box is a very nice, completely transparent Clearlock iPhone 15 Pro Max case. As you can see, the whole case is completely clear. So you can see every bit of your beautiful new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Cut out for your power button, cut out for your volume rockers, little Casekoo logo there, cut out for your charging port and speaker grill, and of course a cutout for the cameras on this completely clear, transparent iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This thing will look amazing on your iPhone and show off all the beautiful details while also protecting your iPhone 15 Pro Max. You also get a nice little Casekoo branded portable phone stand, great for like at your desk at work or something, and of course 2 sets of Casekoo stickers. So thanks again to Casekoo for sending us this transparent iPhone 15 Pro Max Clearlock case. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.